Let's talk about one of the most misunderstood CAT scores, the 95 percentile. Because every year, students scoring 95 start feeling stuck in the middle. You're not at a 99, so people stop talking to you like you're a top scorer. But you're also way above average, and that's the part most students underestimate. A 95 percentile in CAT still puts you ahead of lakhs of aspirants. And most importantly, it can still get you into some genuinely elite MBA colleges. Not just decent colleges, I'm talking about colleges with good placements, strong brands, excellent peer groups, and long-term career value. So in this video, let's break down which colleges are realistically possible at 95 percentile, what their actual call ranges look like in 2026, their latest placement numbers, and most importantly, which colleges are actually worth targeting. So first, quick reality check. What does a 95 percentile mean? It means you perform better than roughly 95% of CAT test takers. With nearly 3 lakh CAT students appearing every year, you're effectively in the top 15,000 range nationally. Now here's what students get confused about. There are qualifying cutoffs and actual interview call ranges. These are not the same thing. A college may show an 85 percentile cutoff on its website, but the actual converts may happen closer to 95 or 96. And one more important thing, at this percentile range, your profile starts mattering a lot. Academics, work experience, gender diversity, academic diversity, all of these can shift your chances significantly. So don't treat these numbers as rigid, treat them as realistic ranges. Let's start with the new IIMs. This includes IIM Trichy, Udaipur, Raipur, Ranchi, Kashipur, Nagpur, Jammu, and the others. For many of these colleges, 95 percentile is a very competitive score. Now here's the interesting part. A lot of students still casually call them the baby IIMs, but the placement numbers today tell a very different story. IIM Udaipur's latest placement averages are around 20 LPA, and so are IIM Trichy's. Many of these colleges now have strong consulting roles, analytics roles, and product management opportunities. The ROI conversation around these colleges has changed massively in the last few years. And honestly, for someone scoring around 95, these are very serious options. Now, let's talk about IIM Shillong. This is one college students often underestimate. The average salary package recently crossed around 26 LPA, and the college has built a very strong reputation in consulting and general management roles. The campus and peer quality are excellent. Realistically, 95 may still be slightly borderline for GEM candidates, but very achievable for strong profiles with diversity advantage. IIM Kozhikode becomes profile dependent at this range. For engineers, especially male engineers, you usually need much higher. But for academic diversity candidates, 95 can absolutely keep you in the conversation. And one thing I genuinely like about IIM Kozhikode, their batch diversity is among the best in the country. Which means non-engineers are rewarded more fairly here compared to many other older IIMs. Now personally, I think the best opportunities at the 95 percentile range are actually outside the IIM system. If you get an MDI at 95, you take it seriously. MDI's latest average placements are around the high 20s. Top recruiters include BCG, Accenture Strategy, Amazon, EY, Deloitte, and many more. But the real advantage? It's the location. You're in Gurgaon, right in the middle of India's corporate ecosystem. That matters more than students realize. Live projects, networking, guest sessions, industry exposure, MDI benefits massively from its geography. IIFT admissions are now through CAT, which has actually increased the competition significantly. Average placements continue to stay high at around the higher 20 LPA range. And if you're interested in international business, trade, global consulting, cross-border roles, IIFT still has a very unique brand positioning in India. SPJIMR Mumbai is probably the most profile-driven college in this list. A student with strong academics, good extracurriculars, quality work experience, or a compelling story can outperform someone with a much higher percentile here. Average placements here are comfortably above 30 LPA now. And recruiters treat SPJIMR extremely seriously. especially in consulting, finance, and leadership hiring. So if you're a working professional watching this, SPJIMR Mumbai should absolutely be on your radar. And now a very underrated category. SJMs from IIT Bombay, DOMS IIT Delhi, VGs from IIT Kharagpur. These colleges quietly offer excellent ROI, strong brands, and a very solid placement, especially for students interested in product management, operations, analytics, or consulting. And because the fees are often lower than many private B schools, the ROI can become extremely attractive. Now here's the honest part. 95 percentile can get you calls, but calls are not converts. Your PI preparation matters massively now. At this stage, small mistakes can become expensive. Weak answers around why MBA, why this college, or even your graduation subjects can genuinely cost you admits. Also, sectional cutoffs matter a lot. A 95 overall with poor VARC can still hurt your shortlist outcomes considerably. And please, apply widely. This is not the time to apply emotionally. Apply strategically. Now, I'll end with this. Indian MBA culture has become obsessed with only one narrative. 99 percentile or nothing. But the reality is far more nuanced. Every single year, students from colleges like MDI, IIFT, SPJIMR Mumbai, IIM Shillong, IIM Trichy, IIM Udaipur go on to build incredible careers. Because eventually, your college gives you access. What you do after entering the room, that's what defines your career. So if you're currently around 95 percentile in your mocks, don't panic. You're still very much in the game. If you're preparing for CAT 2026, you can check out the CAT and OMITS 2026-27 DIY kit, which is designed to maximize results in minimum time and is India's most personalized CAT preparation program. The link for the same is in the description, and in case this video helped, do drop us a like. It genuinely helps the channel grow, and comment below what your target college is at 95 percentile. And I'll see you in the next one.